Well, hello everyone. How's it going? It's Dione Irwin here in a toque today. I showered and I don't even know why I tried to do my hair because I just put the toque on. Anyways, it's windy, so I should probably go inside. I just wanted to show you the front of this house. It's I'm in Canals right now in Airdrie, but let's go inside. It's very cold and windy out there. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're all doing great. We just did a tiny bit of staging in here. This one's coming soon to the Airdrie Market. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of it. It's one of these houses that's got a suite in the back, a carriage house with a suite above. Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Megan, Tyler, all my people, thanks for watching. So anyways, Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And how's your day going? Did you guys blow away in the wind? Yeah, aren't these flowers cool? I know, they are not mine. I kind of wish they were mine, but they're not mine. Anyways, that's one of my favorite parts about this house. Yes, so it's a legal suite above the garage. It's a 1-bedroom, really nice. It's got, I'm not gonna go out there because it's so cold, but we'll have pictures of the suite done today. And thanks for joining everybody. Hey Jen, hey Laura, hello. What do you think about my toque? It's just that kind of a day. Wearing the toque today. But I actually did not feel like coming and staging and doing all this today, but I am here and I'm doing it. You guys, what are you all up to? Are you doing some things that you just got to get done? Sometimes we don't feel like it, but we just do it, right? Anyways, look at this house behind me. It's got so many great details. It's got all these beautiful glass above the doors. Look at this kitchen. I'm going to flip it around now. I'm not going to do a super long video because Peter's actually here. I made him go down into the basement to do the photos, or because he doesn't want to be in the... Aw, thanks, Laura. Thank you. That's very nice. That's good encouragement for today. Look at the kitchen. These homes are so cool because they are not your cookie cutter. They have kind of that traditional feel to them. Granite, really nice woodwork, great backsplash. Got the butler's pantry over there. It's got a big walk-in pantry. Nice appliances, lots of drawers. Really cool glasswork too. So this home has got 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 in the finished basement. It's got a den on the main floor. Isn't this a cool den? Would you guys like to work in this den? Look at the window. I just love these houses. They have these oval windows and cool, just really cool things. Hi, Carrie, are you watching? Thanks for watching. Yeah, if anybody wants to see this home, make sure you message me. Hi, Graham. You can share this video. You can tag your friend. You can start a watch party. Okay, it's got a dining room as well. So you come in, you've got the double doors on the dining room, like really nice features here. You walk in and there's your living room. And also it's got a powder room there on the left, and then the den is there right off your front door. So it's a great home office. And then here's the living room, fireplace, built-ins, lots of windows. And there is your suite in the back. So it has a decent sized yard with grass and a really nice little shed, a nice deck. And so yes, it does have a balcony on this second suite, and the tenant is in there and they would like to stay, so it's up to you. And so it's got an eating area plus also the dining room, and it's got a triple garage, so the person in the house would most likely have the double garage, and then there's a single bay that the tenant up there would take, and there's also parking beside the garage. So it's got a really neat front veranda. It's just a great traditional style home. And I'm going to show you the upstairs too. I'm not going to show you the basement today because Peter's down there, so there'll be pictures coming up. Okay, so you come up the stairs and a beautiful master bedroom. This is a nice big king-size bed. Here's the ensuite, really big soaker tub. Granite, double sinks, huge walk-in closet. We got the big shower with upgraded glass, and then a toilet room. So a little private potty there for you. I'll tell you guys the price soon. Okay, we have upper laundry right here. Those units stay, and there's cabinets built in and a sink. Oh, there's some laundry there. We're hiding the laundry over there, which who doesn't do that, right? Okay, the 2 bedrooms up here are so big. There is one of the bedrooms, and this is one that has got a Jack and Jill bathroom. So here's the bathroom between, tub shower combo, and then here's the other bedroom. So 2 big bedrooms with the Jack and Jill bathroom. And I think, yeah, oh, there's a mattress in here, but it is a walk-in closet. So big, sorry, that looks like nothing to you probably, but it's actually walk-in closets. So, yeah, what do you guys think? Do you love the Jack and Jill? Jen says she loves the Jack and Jill bathroom. I know, me too. It would be perfect for my 2 little girls. They would just love it. Or, you know, boy and girl, 2 boys, whatever you got. Anyways, so this is 917 Channelside Road. That's where I am today. So if you want to see this one, make sure you message us and we could get you in. A little bit of notice, we can get into this house so you can take a peek. And the price is $684.9. So it's a really great price for this gorgeous home. So make sure you message me. I'm actually going to be doing one more video today at one more house in Airdrie. So I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.